friends, this is Deepa Suresh. Welcome back to Deep's Kitchen. Today we are going to see my morning routine vlog. I'm going to show you guys what lunch and snack I'm going to prepare for my daughter. Okay, so today's menu is black chana biryani with the bundi raita, and for the snack I'm going to make a fruit salad. So for the pulao, you will need whole garam masalas like bay leaf, a small piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves, and 1 cardamom. And I have also chopped 1 big onion and 2 green chilies and some coriander leaves. Apart from that, I have a ginger garlic paste over here. So these are all the ingredients, and this is a very quick preparation. And here I have soaked 1 cup of basmati rice in water, and here I have 3/4 cup of black chana, which is soaked overnight, and then I'm boiling it to make sure it is half cooked so that we can cook it along with basmati rice for just one whistle. So here I have a pressure cooker over stove, and let's begin with preparing black chana pulao. So first add a half spoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. So generally when you prepare biryani or pulao, make sure you are adding a ghee that gives really nice aroma and flavor to your rice. So I have added all the whole garam masalas, green chilli. Once you get a nice aroma from it, add in the onions. You need to make sure that onions become golden brown in color. That gives really great taste to your dish. So once it turns into golden brown, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry it well until raw flavor goes. Usually in the pulaus and biryanis, in biryanis we add masala powders, but this is a pulao, so I'm not going to use any masala powders. So once ginger garlic paste is cooked, I added black chana and then add 2 cups of water. So if you are using 1 cup of basmati rice, use only 2 cups of water. Don't add more than that. If you add more than that, it might get mashed up after cooked. So exactly 2 cups is more than enough. And then add required amount of salt and allow it to boil. In the meanwhile, I filled up her water bottle, and then just keep ready all her lunch box, snack box, lunch
Here
box,
Vikashni
everything.
is ready.
So my daughter is
அதான் சொல்லு
almost
ஸோ விகாஷ்னி
ready,
வந்து
and she's
லிட்டில்
little
அப்செட்
upset
ஏன்னா நேற்று
because she don't know
மிதுன்
where
வந்து
is her
அவளோட ஐடி கார்டு
card
எடுத்து
is.
விளாண்டுட்டு
She's
இருந்தான் எங்கே
searching
போட்டான்னு
for
தெரில
it.
ஸோ வந்து தேடிட்டு இருக்கா விகாஷ் இன்னும் டைம் இருக்கு நீ ஜஸ்ட் சர்ச் பண்ணிட்டு உன் ரூமில் போய் பாருடா அங்கே தான் எங்கேயாவது போட்டிருப்பான் நான் லாண்ட்ரி பாஸ்கெட்டில் போட்டிருப்பான் பாரு.
And for the breakfast, I already prepared ragi semia. Okay, and for the lunch only, I am preparing this. So you
ஓகே
guys
ஸோ
can
ரைஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கொதிக்க
see
ஆரம்பிச்சு
it's
சாரி
started
தண்ணி
to
கொதிக்க
boil,
ஆரம்பிச்சிச்சு.
and now it's time to add in the rice. Give a little mix and allow it to boil. Okay, you need to wait until it starts to boil. And here I have some milk because I need to prepare a boost for my daughter and also for my husband. So I'm just make sure that it is warm enough for them to drink. So now you can see biryani has started to boil. So just to check it out whether the salt and spiciness everything is okay. Usually whenever you are making one pot rices like biryani or pulao, make sure the salt and also spiciness is little extra when you taste. That way after it cooked it will be perfect, otherwise you feel like little less after it cooked. So I felt like salt is perfect, so I add a little more. Finally, garnish it with some mint leaves and coriander leaves, and you may also add a teaspoon of ghee at this point of time, but I am not adding anything else. I added only coriander leaves. Now cover it with a lid and let it to cook only for one whistle, not more than that. So basmati rice will get mashed up if you cook for more than one whistle. So my milk also ready, and here I have a conversation with my
எங்கள்
daughter,
ஐடி கார்டு
like
கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டியா?
she's saying she want
எங்கே
more
இருந்தது?
papaya since it tastes really good.
கீழே இருந்ததா?
So for the snack I have decided to pack a fruit salad for her. So I have chopped up some papaya into cubes. already and I'm going to pack it for her snack. Whenever you're giving fruit salad to your kids, make sure that you're adding at least two different fruits in different colors. When their snack box looks colorful, they will definitely get interest in eating. So along with the papaya, I'm going to pack up watermelon also for her. So I'm just cutting watermelon. My daughter will have a school bus at 8:45, so I make sure breakfast is ready by 8 o'clock. Both my daughter and husband take their breakfast at 8:15. So for us also fruit salad with ragi semia for breakfast. And now it's time to see how does the pulao looks like. So I think I don't need to say anything. You guys are watching it already. It cooks really perfect. It does. Look at the rice, guys, how lengthy it is, just like a semia, right? And it cooks really perfect. They're not sticking together. So always make sure that when you are preparing biryani or pulao, just fluff it with a fork and then serve it. So black chana pulao is done, and the color is in light brown because of the color in black chana. I did not add any masala powders in it. So I'm just going to pack this up for my daughter. So black chana pulao along with bundi raita. So I love bundi raita a lot, even my daughter. So I have around a half a cup of yogurt. I just beat it and then add what is that, salt and some bundi. Uh, this makes it really well, and this is perfect to go with this pulao. So we have here black chana pulao with bundi raita for lunch and fruit salad, that is papaya and watermelon, for snack. So how is this combo? If you like this combo, don't forget to hit on the like button. So now I'm just going to pack everything into the lunch bag. First goes in lunch box, followed by snack box on top, spoon pouch, towel, and then water bottle. So my daughter loves pony very much. So she got this water bottle recently. So her lunch box is ready and she's ready to move. So my husband is out for office and my daughter is out to school, and here I am with my 1.5-year-old son. So now he is ready to water the plants. So usually I water at 7 o'clock in the morning sometimes, and sometimes I water later, like after 9:30, like that. So I'm just watering all the plants. So he also very interested in watering plants. So I just said to him, I'm going to water the plants. He just took that watering can and came along with me. After I'm done with all other household work, I and my son took shower. In time is around 11 o'clock. Usually at this time he sleep for around 3 to 4 hours. So I'm just going to wipe him up with towel. I generally don't use any lotion or powder over him. I was using it until he was 7 to 8 months old, and later then he started crawl and then he started to walk. After that he became very naughty. He never stayed at one place to do all these things. Even though if I am interested to apply, sometimes I felt like why to use all those chemical products over the baby. So I thought like, okay, let's leave applying any lotion or anything. I just apply soap while taking shower and that's all. I don't apply anything else. So I just dressed up him. Okay guys, since he is going to sleep for 3 to 4 hours, I make sure that wear him cloth diaper. So this is actually a cloth diaper which could be washed and then reused. You use and throw diapers, you could use only for one time, but this one you could wash and then reuse it. That is the benefit of cloth diaper. And it saves a lot of money and it's very environment friendly as well. So actually it has a waterproof cloth outside so they don't leak, and it has quick dry material on the top, so they don't feel that wetness also. So you need to insert through this opening, and then this is ready to go on. It's available from newborn to 2 years old. Okay, and I'm just going to wear on him. So usually I say to him like, you're just going to wear the diaper, and he just lay down like this. So for the video purpose I wear him inner wear, but usually you don't need to wear that inner wear. You have to directly wear that cloth diaper. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is just put that over there. I'm not scolding him or threatening him anything. I'm just kidding him like you are very naughty boy like that. Okay, so what you have to do is just the way you're looking in the video, you need to wear the butters which could be adjusted depending on their size. So if you buy when your baby is around 3 months old, you could use it until they become 2 years old. And cost of this cloth diaper is around 450. It's available online on Amazon. If possible, I will link those Amazon link in the description. Check it out. Okay guys, so I'm just going to feed him and then he will sleep. Later on I need to do my YouTube work. Hopefully you all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to my channel to watch a lot more interesting vlogs in future. I'll catch you guys soon with another interesting vlog. Bye bye.